Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix App Store not working on iPhone. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have do not miss any step. You have first of all you have restart your iPhone, then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. If their first solution is not working, their second solution, you have reset network setting. So then you have open the setting, and then you have click on general. So then scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset, then you have click on reset network setting, and iPhone given a passcode, and then you have taken a passcode and do not lose any data, only reset network setting on your iPhone. So then other solution, if there are second solution is not working, there are other solution, you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on general, then you have click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone are available, you have must be installed on your iPhone. Then third solution is not working, their fourth solution, you have check the date and time you have must be correct on your iPhone. Then you have again open the setting and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on date and time, then you have set automatically on your iPhone, then 100% correct on your iPhone time and date. Then other solution you have while use the App Store is not working, then you have used the App Store, then you must be force close, and then you have double tap on home button, then you have remove from then background, then you have while App Store use, then 100% working. Then if fifth solution is not working, their last solution you have sign out, and then you have 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then you have login again your Apple ID on your iPhone, and then 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.